I literally walked into history with my two legs. Hey guys, welcome to my reels. I had the rare privilege of stepping into history. Yes guys, a private tour of the home of Chief Moshood Kashimawo Olawale MKO Abiola, the man whose name echoes across Nigerians' democracy. From his private room to that of his beloved wife Kudirat Abiola, and to his mausoleum, the staff quarters, and the iconic spaces where history unfolds. This is his room. The man had good taste. Look at the POP and how big the room is. Not just that, I saw his books. You will know this man was a scholar. Not only that, I saw his awards. He was even receiving awards after he died. This is his photo album. Man, memories with friends, family, and a lot more. I saw this his briefcase and I had to demonstrate like I was walking like him. I saw his photo album, I saw his pictures, his mausoleum with that of his first wife, Symbiat. This house had its personal transformer. Guys, the house speaks luxury. The POP you admire now is what was used in the house that was built in 1986. If nothing, this video should remind you that humility is key. Happy Democracy Day, guys. Catch the full exclusive interview on YouTube at AN24 TV.